What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel. Sending files from Android to iPhone has always been a little annoying. Usually people end up using cables, cloud links or chat apps, but Google is rolling out a quick share QR code option that can make Android to iPhone sharing much easier. In this video I'll show you the real setup flow, how the QR code sharing works if it's available on your device, and what to do if you don't see the feature yet. So start on the Android phone. Open Photos, Files or any app with sharing support. Select a photo, video or file and tap Share. Then click Quick Share. This opens Android's real Quick Share interface. It's important to know that the QR code option may not appear on every device yet because rollout availability can vary. Now if your device supports the new feature, you should see a QR code sharing option. Tap it, and now Android generates a QR code that another device can scan to receive the file. This avoids cables, messaging apps, and manual cloud uploads, and makes temporary sharing much faster. Now move to the iPhone. Open the Camera app. Point it at the QR code shown on Android. Depending on the rollout and the file type, the iPhone may show a browser link, a quick share receiving page, or a direct download prompt. Tap the prompt shown on screen. Now follow the real receiving flow on the iPhone. You may see download, save, open, or preview, depending on the file type. For photos or videos, the file may save directly into Photos or Files after download. And this is the key advantage: fast temporary transfer without needing the same ecosystem. If the QR code sharing option does not appear yet, that does not necessarily mean your phone is unsupported. Google is rolling this feature out gradually. Try updating Google Play services, Quick Share components, and Android system updates. Also check Play Store app updates. Availability may differ by phone brand, Android version, region, or rollout timing. This is designed as a fast convenience feature. It's not a full AirDrop replacement yet. The transfer speed and experience may vary depending on connection quality, file size, and device compatibility. So for Android to iPhone sharing, this is one of the cleanest new transfer methods we've seen so far. If this video helped you out, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more practical Android and iPhone tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.